saw a busker in the street, his fellow torn and empty. I thought of Noel's eye, the beats were plump and plenty. His overcoat was worn askew, his banjo strings a singing. But people came from miles around, the church bells were ringing. Joe Busker is a begging, the rich they want their joy. From him they'd be a legging, until the day for begging is your only trade, apprentice to the poor. The fear of it keeps you afraid, never to find a I remember my grandfather whispering to me. He said, learn to appreciate all that you see, 'cause one day it'll mean so much to you. Well, without realizing the words he did say, so they started me seeing things a different way. Just like the color of the sun going down on the bay, it was a sight I'll never forget. And we'll all meet tonight, every child, every woman and man, for we know in our heart that we'll always be part of our proud and wonderful land. Yes, we'll all meet tonight, and we'll sing as loud as we can. That can only be Every child, every woman and man, for we know in our hearts that we'll always be part of our proud and wonderful land. Yes, we'll all meet tonight, and we'll sing as loud as we can of an island so green that can only be seen through the eyes of an Irishman. Well, I left Ireland shores when I was 30 years old, and I sailed to my future of silver and gold. But when the rush was over, I was out in the cold. It hurt my pocket, but never my pride. Now there's fire in my heart, and my memory's so strong. Oh, how I long for the romance, how I yearn for the song, and how I'm missing the place that I loved all along, that I may never see again. So we'll all meet tonight, every child, every woman and man, for we know in our hearts that we'll always be part of our proud and wonderful land. Yes, we'll